perfect Sunday on the blues. We looked happy, but I was going through it, yeah. All my senses really